Hey there, plant enthusiasts and farming enthusiasts. Get ready to dive into the mesmerizing world of gardening and farming with me.
The pistachio. This small, unassuming nut holds a special place on our tables and in our hearts. Whether enjoyed as a simple snack or incorporated into elaborate dishes, the pistachio has a unique charm that transcends cultures and cuisines. Its delicate flavor, vibrant green hue, and satisfying crunch have captivated taste buds for centuries. From ancient times to modern kitchens, the pistachio has been a symbol of both luxury and comfort. But how much do we really know about this ancient nut? Its history is as rich and intriguing as its taste. Where does it come from? How is it grown? These questions lead us to a fascinating exploration of the pistachio's journey from orchard to table. And what role does it play in the modern food system? The pistachio is more than just a snack. It's a vital part of culinary traditions and agricultural economies around the world. Join us on a journey to the heart of California's Central Valley, where the vast majority of American pistachios are grown. This region, with its ideal climate and fertile soil, is the perfect setting for pistachio cultivation. Here, amidst the sun-drenched fields, we'll uncover the secrets of pistachio cultivation. From the careful selection of seeds to the nurturing of young trees, every step is a testament to the dedication of the farmers. We'll explore the delicate balance of nature and technology that brings this beloved nut to life. Modern farming techniques, combined with age-old wisdom, ensure that each pistachio is grown to perfection. And we'll discover how sustainable farming practices are shaping the future of pistachio production. By embracing eco-friendly methods, farmers are not only preserving the environment, but also ensuring the longevity of their orchards. From the planting of the orchard to the final packaged product, the story of the pistachio is one of dedication, innovation, and a deep respect for the land. Each nut represents a journey of growth, care, and meticulous attention to detail. It's a story that speaks to our evolving relationship with food and the importance of sustainable practices in feeding a growing population. As we learn more about where our food comes from, we gain a deeper appreciation for the efforts behind every bite. So sit back, crack open a handful of pistachios, and prepare to be amazed by the journey of this little green jewel. From ancient orchards to modern tables, the pistachio continues to enchant and delight. The pistachio story begins thousands of years ago in the arid regions of the Middle East. Archaeological evidence suggests that pistachios were enjoyed as early as 7000 BC. These early civilizations recognized the pistachio's value as a source of sustenance and flavor. They incorporated it into their diets and even used it for medicinal purposes. Over time, the pistachio's fame spread along ancient trade routes, reaching Europe and Asia. It became a prized delicacy, enjoyed by emperors and commoners alike. Today, the pistachio's popularity continues to grow. Global production has skyrocketed in recent years, with the United States emerging as a leading producer. California's Central Valley, with its hot, dry summers and fertile soil, has proven to be an ideal environment for pistachio cultivation. The state now produces nearly 99% of the nation's pistachio crop. This remarkable nut has gone from ancient delicacy to modern snack food, a testament to its enduring appeal. Establishing a pistachio orchard is a long-term investment, requiring patience, planning, and a deep understanding of the land. The journey from barren soil to a thriving orchard is a testament to the dedication and hard work of the farmers. It all begins with selecting the right variety of pistachio tree. This decision is crucial as it determines the future success of the orchard. Different varieties are known for their flavor profiles, yield, and resistance to pests and diseases. Farmers must consider these factors carefully to ensure a healthy and productive orchard. Once the variety is chosen, the young trees, called rootstocks, are carefully planted in rows across the orchard. This meticulous process ensures that each tree has the best chance to thrive. These rootstocks will eventually be grafted with buds from mature pistachio trees, a process that ensures the desired variety and quality of nuts. Grafting is an art that requires skill and precision. The spacing between trees is crucial, allowing for ample sunlight and air circulation as the orchard matures. Proper spacing helps prevent disease and promotes healthy growth. Planting an orchard is just the beginning. The real work starts after the trees are in the ground. The trees require meticulous care and attention in their early years, including regular irrigation, fertilization, and pruning. Each of these tasks is essential to ensure the trees grow strong and healthy. It takes 5 to 7 years for a pistachio tree to begin bearing a significant crop, and it can take up to 20 years to reach full maturity. This long wait requires patience and a long-term vision. This long-term perspective is a hallmark of pistachio farming, a testament to the grower's commitment to the land and future generations. The orchard becomes a legacy, passed down through families, each generation adding to the story of the land. Section 4. California Sun, Pistachio Bounty, the ideal climate. The pistachio tree thrives in hot, dry climates with long, sunny days and cool nights. These conditions, so characteristic of California's Central Valley, mimic the pistachio's native habitat in the Middle East. The intense summer heat is essential for ripening the nuts, while the cool nights help the trees conserve water and develop their characteristic flavor. Pistachios are also remarkably drought-tolerant. Their deep root systems allow them to access water deep within the soil, making them well-suited to arid and semi-arid regions. This natural adaptation is particularly important in California, where water resources are increasingly precious. The Central Valley's climate, with its predictable seasons and long growing season, provides the ideal conditions for pistachio cultivation. This region's ability to consistently produce high-quality pistachios has cemented its position as a global leader in pistachio production. Section 5. Deep roots in the valley's soil, water, and sustainability. In this section, we delve into the intricate relationship between soil, water, and the sustainable practices that ensure the health and productivity of pistachio orchards. While the right climate is essential for pistachio cultivation, the soil plays an equally important role. The quality and composition of the soil can significantly impact the growth and yield of pistachio trees. Pistachio trees prefer well-drained, sandy loam soils that allow for proper aeration and water infiltration. This type of soil structure supports healthy root development and ensures that the trees receive the necessary nutrients. They also require adequate drainage to prevent root rot, a common problem in poorly drained soils. Root rot can severely damage the trees, leading to reduced yields and even tree death. Water management is another crucial aspect of pistachio farming, especially in California's arid climate. Efficient water use is vital to sustain the orchards and ensure the trees remain healthy throughout the year. While pistachio trees are drought-tolerant, they still require regular irrigation throughout the growing season. Consistent water supply helps in maintaining the tree's health and optimizing nut production. To ensure the efficient use of this precious resource, many growers have adopted advanced irrigation techniques. These methods not only conserve water but also enhance the overall efficiency of water distribution. Drip irrigation, for example, delivers water directly to the root zone of the trees, minimizing evaporation and runoff. This method ensures that the water reaches where it is needed the most, promoting healthy growth. This targeted approach not only conserves water but also reduces weed growth and improves nutrient uptake. By focusing water delivery, growers can better manage the orchard's overall health. By embracing sustainable farming practices, pistachio growers are demonstrating their commitment to protecting the environment and ensuring the long-term viability of their industry. These practices include soil conservation, efficient water use, and the adoption of eco-friendly farming techniques. Section 6. Nurturing growth. A year in the life of a pistachio tree. The life of a pistachio tree follows a distinct seasonal cycle, with each season bringing its own set of tasks and challenges for the grower. In spring, as temperatures rise, the pistachio trees awaken from their winter dormancy. Buds swell, leaves unfurl, and the orchard comes alive with the buzz of pollinating insects. Summer is a time of intense growth and development. The pistachio trees soak up the long, sunny days, their leaves working tirelessly to convert sunlight into energy. This energy fuels the development of the pistachio nuts, which grow within protective shells. As summer transitions into fall, the pistachio nuts mature, their shells splitting open with an audible click. This distinctive sound signals that harvest time is approaching. Fall is a busy time in the orchard as growers prepare for the annual pistachio harvest. Section 7. Technology takes root. Modern pistachio farming. Gone are the days of labor-intensive manual harvesting methods. Today, pistachio orchards are a testament to the transformative power of technology. Advanced machinery and precision agriculture techniques have revolutionized the way pistachios are grown and harvested. One such innovation is the mechanical shaker. This ingenious device clamps onto the trunk of the pistachio tree and gently vibrates it, causing the mature nuts to fall onto a waiting tarp spread out beneath the tree. This method is not only efficient, but also minimizes damage to the trees and nuts. Another technological advancement is the use of sensors and data analytics. By placing sensors throughout the orchard, growers can monitor soil moisture levels, nutrient content, and even pest and disease pressure in real time. This data is then used to optimize irrigation schedules, fertilizer applications, and pest control measures.